Wait, I fucking shit. My hair is a mess. Okay, we have... Bakit ang daming mongoloid sa likod eh? Just go. Fuck you. We have the moisturizer. We have the foundation.
Sabihin mo naman yung brand.
We have the concealer.
Go like...
Oh, hello! This is my...
What brand is this?
Teacher. She's... Putang ina.
There's nothing!
It went in your hair!
No, it didn't!
This is Makeup Forever by Mario. Or actually... It's saying shit! It's not even Mario! Okay. This is from a long time ago. This is a triple thingy. So you have... Oh shit.
You have blush?
You have blush. You have highlighter. You have concealer. I mean contour. We have Laneige.
Your makeup is cleaner than I expected it to be.
Because I'm clean, the fuck. And we have Beauty Blender. I got... wala pala akong dala. As in, onti lang. We have the spray for the thing, for the brow soap. And then we have the thingy, we have this blush. We have the thingy. We have the e.l.f. highlighter. And we have the lip tint mascara from somewhere. My mom got... I stole this from my mom. Okay, that's it. We start our get ready. Now we're gonna do this one. Y'all ugly, fuck. So now we do this.
Like a bag?
Just two. And now we do concealer. And now we blend. Hello, teacher. Tangina, may pangit sa background ka talaga. And now we put on... Wait, does it look good or what? I can't see. And now we do... Who's kicking me? Gian. Fuck! It's playing! And then we finish blush and everything. And then now, init? Ay na, naka-coat pa kasi ang init-init. Can you take this off? Can you take this off? My assistant is not assistanting right now. Oh! The fuck? You're supposed to do this shit first.
You know what I'm watching on Prime right now? I think you've watched it. Maxton Hall.
Go!
I haven't
Oh
watched it.
shit.
I'm still on Cobra Kai.
Boosie, ang sakat. Boosie, take it up. Boosie. Oh, fuck. Thank you. Now I can breathe. Rare Beauty by Ariana Grande. Oh, Ram Beauty pala. My bad. Can you cut that out? I don't want to be viral because I'm saying wrong shits.
I'm gonna post it.
Oh, fuck no. Isn't. Okay, now we do highlights.
What if the pot
Shit, bro. No, wala pa.
like they know what they're gonna make?
Sabihin na pag
Wait, who's coming again?
all of us but Tree.
Kill yourself.
She's your...
She's getting.
I'm getting fucking
I'm rubbing
cancelled
off on her.
on TikTok. Guys, don't cancel me.
There was
hello,
like no
bakit
jump
mo
scare.
pa
It's just there to be
ninanakaw
creepy. So then, and then it moves again, and then it moves again, and then
Mamatay na
it just
sila.
stares at me.
Pinatay.
And then
Oh, they can suck my butt all they want. Seniors ba kayo? Mukha lang kayong senior citizen eh.
Bakit?
Man.
You look like you don't got...
I don't got brows. What the fuck are you talking about? What the fuck do you think this is? I haven't. Hello. I don't even know him. I don't even know him. Let me in your ocean swim. Oh shit. It's over here.
Actually, let's not do all pauses.
Oh, what are you gonna do for love?
I don't get.
Nawala yung ay, it's over here. Ay, there's no more.
Oh God, they trying to drown me in this hole.
Ay! My assignment! Yeah, where's your assignment na po? Tangay na ka. Okay. Can you pay, please? Hello? Pay faster.
Number 3. Kaya I said, pag na-scratch mo ako sa nang nails mo, susuntokin yung mukha mo.
Number 3.
Oh my! Tinitignan ko po. Vacuum. Ah, ito pala. I'm an academic student.
Ito na oh.
Sir Gagi, I'm not drinking you.
Tama na.
But it's still weird.
Dapat if two people are bringing juice. Do you really?
I knew you were gonna post this shit. Don't.
Why do you survive? I want to try.
How am I gonna put
Do you
this?
really?
Ay! Putang ina!
We can only use it once a day.
Oh
What
shit.
the fuck? That's so stupid. I'm not working at
Oh
Wendy's.
shit. Are you dumb? Look at my face. Where's the freckles?
Huh?
Where's the freckles? Where's your setting spray? Bro, this is my setting spray.
Yeah.
You didn't
I
shake
think that's
it.
glitter.
Babe, you have glitter on it. Bro, I don't have freckles in my face.
Freckles?
It looks like freckles now. And I sprayed so
no,
much.
babe, when you were up close here, I was looking at you. I was like, your makeup looked patchy until you pointed it out, and I noticed it on your nose that it wasn't patchy. It was your setting spray. It's self-tanner, bro.
Oh my gosh, what happened to my matte lipstick? It melted off and it molded into this. What's good, people? Miss Bar, she's filming me.